Respected teachers, honorable guests, and my dear Madrasa fellows, Assalamu alaikum. I am Mohsina. I am in class 3. Thanks for giving me the opportunity to speak in front of you. Today the topic of my speech is Holy Prophet Hazrat Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. The life of Holy Prophet Hazrat Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam is a role model for every person of this world. He was born in Mecca, a city in Saudi Arabia, over 1400 years ago. He taught us to be truthful, kind, and to help others. He showed us how to be good people and live peacefully. He was patient and never got angry, even when others were unkind. He taught the people the differences between right and wrong. His life and teachings are a source of guidance for the people. We should try to follow his teachings and be kind, honest, and caring like him. That's all for today. Thanks everyone. Assalamu alaikum.
Rabba ICA